It's time to clean the PETLIBRO Dockstream mat monitoring pet water fountain. Start by taking the water tank off the base. You can wipe the base down with a damp cloth, but don't immerse it in water. A quick wipe is all it needs. Next, remove the water tray from the tank, followed by the water pipe and the wireless water pump. Take the water pipe off the pump and disassemble the pump housing. Now, use the included brush to remove the rotor from the pump. Scrub each part: the pump, rotor, housing, and water pipe. Then get everything a good rinse. Don't forget the foam filter. Remove any debris and rinse it well. Then put everything back together: foam filter, water pipe, and all the parts. For the spout and filter cover, a quick scrub and rinse should do the job. Remove the filter and clean the filter tray and water tray, making sure to get into the small gaps in between them. Almost done. Rinse out the water tank to keep it fresh. Finally, place the pump and water pipe back into the tank, fill it with fresh water, and reassemble everything. Once it's back together, place it on the base.